Tree felling Woodridge. Are you dealing with a storm-damaged tree or overgrowth that has entangled in power lines? You'll need skilled arborists. At Cameron's Tree Services, we provide quality tree services locals can trust. In some removal tasks, our experienced team may use tree felling to cut down the tree. This involves lopping off large branches and making a felling cut at the trunk base to ensure it falls properly. After the tree is removed, our arborist will grind the stump down using a stump grinder, turning it into mulch. Stump grinding is a quick, non-invasive option for leveling unwanted stumps. However, if the tree's roots are damaging the property's foundation, other removal techniques may be necessary. We handle both residential and commercial land clearing tasks to prepare undeveloped blocks for future construction. This includes removing trees, vegetation, and shrubs using various equipment. Call today for a free tree service quote.